Hey everybody, I'm Spencer Mayu, Director of Product Management at LATICRETE International, and good riddance 2020, right? Really challenging year for everybody in the industry, but it was also a very exciting year for LATICRETE in particular. We were able to bring a lot of new products to the market, including SpectraLock 1, our game-changing, ready-to-use grout. But now I want to shift focus to 2021. We've got a bunch of new products that are coming out, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the ones that come out in February of 2021. First, let me tell you about our new glass tile adhesive Lite. This lightweight product is half the weight of a traditional glass tile mortar, so it's easier to handle, lessening stress on the installer's body, and it's a non-standard formula, which makes it easier to spread and safer to use. Glass Tile Adhesive Lite also features an ultra white color, which allows glass tile to look its absolute best. And what's really cool about it is it can be used with the Permacolor Select pigment system. So this adhesive can be made to be any color that you want it to be. We've also made upgrades to our NXT range of self-leveling underlayments with the introduction of two new products. First is our new and improved NXT Level Plus. This product is a high-performance fiber-reinforced underlayment for use on a broad range of substrates, but now can be used over wood without the need for metal lath, which is a great time and money saver for the installer. The second new product we have is the NXT Level Flow. This is our entry-level product in the NXT range for installers looking for a high-flowing, easy-to-use underlayment for use in leveling interior substrates. So something we're really proud of is the performance and innovation we have in our StrataHeat radiant floor heating system. But just because we have the best, most innovative system does not mean we're satisfied. So we have taken our system a step further with our new product upgrades. We've made some improvements to the mat to make it a higher performing mat, but the big new innovation in the system is the industry's first spliceless cable. So as all cables are now, where the hot and cold splice is, there's a very thick area. This section will not fit into the mat, so installers are forced to cut out a section of the mat that allows them to bury it into the mat and substrate in order to be able to fully cover the area in mortar. Now, LATICRETE brings to the industry a cable that has a small uniform diameter throughout the entire cable. This allows for a faster, easier, seamless installation that doesn't require compromising the mat to install the wire. Now shifting gears a little, we'll focus on some products outside of our tile and stone installation systems. First are a couple products with our masonry veneer installation system. Our liquid applied WCI membrane performs as a waterproofing and crack isolation membrane when placed under exterior veneer finishes. And the other product in the category that we're introducing is the new MVIS flashing sealant. Both of these products are high performing, easy to use, and complement our MVIS category nicely. And finally, I'll turn your focus to our resinous coatings category. And we have arguably the most innovative product in this entire launch window here. And we call it the Lux Additive, which is part of the Spartacoat high yield system. The Lux Additive delivers incredible amount of light reflectivity to coated surfaces, positioning it to deliver unparalleled performance to grow room environments. The system promotes higher plant yield and maximizes lighting efficiency, requiring less energy and lowering costs. This new technology is really exciting for us and the industry. It should be another game changer for us. So that wraps up Launch Window 1 from LATICRETE. We're bringing innovation, products that deliver the highest performance and are easy and safer to use. All products are shipping in February, and definitely check out laticrete.com for more details on them. And don't forget, LATICRETE is a family-owned American company with world-class products, technical, and sales service for over 65 years. And we can't wait to see what you build with our new products.